Hi, I'm Brooke Barker, Director of Analytics at Dealer Inspire.
And I'm Jacob Wittler, Senior Director of Solutions Marketing at Cars.com.
We're here today to let you know that on July 1st, 2023, Google's Universal Analytics will stop processing hits for good.
Wait, what?
Which means if you're not prepared in advance, you'll no longer have access to new and historical data about your website's performance.
Brooke, hold on. What you're describing is an absolute nightmare for a hardcore data nerd like me.
Jake.
Do we need to build a data fallout shelter?
Jake.
Should we stock up on supplies? We could buy a bunch of external hard drives, upload 10 years worth of bounce rate metrics to them. I'm just so scared, Brooke. I don't know what to do.
Jake, settle down and take a breath. This is really nothing to worry about if you have a plan.
Okay, deep breath. Brooke, please tell me we have a plan.
Of course we have a plan, and we'll be sharing it with everybody during our workshop at NADA 2023. While Universal Analytics is going away, it is being replaced by an entirely new platform called Google Analytics 4.
I see. So the plan is dealers just need to switch from Universal Analytics to GA4 before July 1st, 2023. And that seems straightforward enough. Do we actually need to do a whole hour on this?
Yes, Jake, we really do, because GA4 isn't just a new version of the Google Analytics you've been using for the past decade. This is a brand new platform that fundamentally changes the way website data and user engagements are processed and reported on.
But as a marketer, I'll still be able to see all the important KPIs like conversion rate, right?
No.
Pages per session?
Mm-mm.
Average session duration. Brooke, you gotta give me average session duration.
Sorry, Jake, those familiar KPIs have all been replaced by different, more in-depth measurements that tell a larger data story, like engaged sessions per user, events per session, and engagement rate.
Okay, Brooke, this is an awkward ask since we're filming this right now, but could we just sidebar for a few minutes so I can get a little more up to speed on GA4?
Of course.
1 hour later.
Wow, Brooke, that was amazing. You literally taught me everything I needed to know about making the switch to GA4 in an hour.
My pleasure. And if you're feeling the same way Jake was, then you definitely need to attend this workshop too.
Now that I know my stuff, I can tell you that in addition to addressing all the new terminology and covering why these measurements matter, we'll be able to show you how to successfully migrate Google Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4, distinguish the key differences in reporting views that you and your marketing partners need to be prepared for, and ensure your chat, digital retailing, service scheduler, all those third-party tools are properly integrated with GA4.
In addition, we'll also show you how to take your reporting out of the Google, Microsoft, and Facebook ecosystems and access it all in one place alongside your digital advertising, SEO, and marketplace data at both the individual rooftop and automotive group level, allowing you to make better marketing decisions all from one reporting platform.
Now that we've laid it all out, it doesn't really seem that scary anymore, does it, Brooke?
Exactly. We've got this, Jake. And you will too, as long as you come see us this January at NADA 2023.
We look forward to seeing you all there.